the new year here, it seems everyone wants to start out fresh, but that doesn't mean you have to go out and buy all new stuff. With a little inspiration, you can take what you already have and add some bling to 2019 and make it new to you again. To bling up your new year, it's really all about adding embellishments to anything and everything you want. From frames to notebooks, shoes to wine glasses, there are so many things you can recreate with just a touch of bling. Plus, these money-saving ideas are fun to do at a girls' night in or even with the kids. Okay, there are 3 different types of embellishments to use. I'm talking gemstones or buttons, cardstock or fancy paper, and fabric. Now first, for those boring old frames, simply glue buttons or gems around the edges, or for a more contemporary look, glue on some broken CDs, because no one's using CDs anymore. And your favorite wine glass, it can get an upgrade too. Just glue flat back gemstones on it in an interesting pattern, and cheers to the new year. And even those comfy shoes you love can take on a new life with the addition of some gems or jewels. Just be sure to use strong adhesive to attach them because they need some long-lasting wear. Now, how about those old notebooks? Well, instead of buying a new one when last year still has some blank pages in it, just give the old one a little bling using cardstock you already have in your crafty stash. Tack it down to the front cover of that notebook using spray glue. Now you can write down your fresh thoughts in a refreshed notebook. Another fun idea is to repurpose an old refrigerator magnet. You know, the one with your favorite sports team's schedule on it? Well, you're going to cover it with chalkboard tape, then glue on some bling and slap it on the fridge. It's new again with a new purpose. And finally, don't throw out that old sweater. Just add some fancy fabric to the elbows to give it a fashion facelift, or attach a zipper to a t-shirt for some unexpected fun. Yeah, we know everything needs a little refresh from time to time, and with the new year here, these simple ideas and a little inspiration, you can add some bling to 2019.